وقالوا لن تمسنا النار إلا أياما معدودة قل اتخذتم من الله أحدا فليخلف الله وعده أم تقولون على الله ما لا تعلمون. What Allah said, the Bani Israel were saying that the fire will not touch us except for the number of days only, some few days only. Then Allah said, do you take any covenant with Allah and Allah is not going to break His covenant? Allah is not going to break His promise? Or are you just telling a lie upon Allah? Which you have no knowledge. You are just telling a lie about it. Allah did not make any covenant, any promise, any commitment with anyone. Okay, you can do anything, I'm not going to punish you. Any person in the world, not even the Prophet of God. Even the one of the great Prophet of Allah, the Yunus, in the Bible the name is Jonah, in the Quran the name is Yunus. He disobeyed God, and what God did? He was let him to be thrown in the sea, and he was swallowed by the fish for 3 days and 3 nights. Until he prayed to God these words, La ilaha illa anta, subhanaka inni kuntu minas zalimin. There is no God except you, O Allah. You are free from all errors. What happened to me is not because of your error, but it's my error. I disobeyed you, so I have this problem now. So he said, La ilaha illa anta, subhanaka inni kuntu minas zalimin. There is no God except you. You are free from all errors. Surely I am among the zalimin. I am among the wrongdoers. So when he accepted his mistake, he asked Allah the sorry. Allah let the fish to vomit him out, and he was saved. Even the first prophet, the first human being, Prophet Adam. The Prophet Adam was also with his wife. They were thrown out from paradise because of one disobedience. They ate from the tree which was forbidden for them. We can see the examples. Even the prophets were not given any exclusivity. That okay, you can do anything, you're free. We have no exclusivity. You lost your fajr, you lost your salah, you can eat anything you like, you can do anything in your life, and even haram, then we are in danger. We are in danger of the punishment. We need to see. I need to be follow the commandments of Allah and not to disobey. Then I can have assurance to be saved from His punishment.